The affected area feature is now available in magicplan. The idea behind it is to give you a tool to highlight areas of damage. It's similar to the reference area of Xactimate, but let's start right away and see how it works. You will start creating your floor plan. I already did mine some minutes ago. I'm here in the yellow room, so I'm going to select it. And from the info section, I can tap on Add New Area. Here I will be able to reshape my area and to indicate, for example, some water damages on the floor. Once I'm happy with the shape, I can also move the corners if needed. It can be really flexible. I will tap on Done. Here we can change the name of our area. We can change the color. And we can also decide to show the dimensions. If you want, you can also attach photos and notes. You can add a form that you previously created in the magicplan cloud, because this area behaves as an object. So if you don't have something right away, you can also go back later and add more details, or also change the measurement, right? If you tap on Edit Shape, you can also go ahead and change the measurement. You can add corners and change it like this, and still tap on Done once you're happy. If we have more areas with different damages inside the same room, it's absolutely fine. You can add more areas. So you will still select a room, you will go in the info section and you will add a new area, and you will be able to reshape it, change the color, and do everything that we did with the other one. Now, I don't have 2 areas of damage here, so I'm going to delete the second one. Anyway, we know that when we have some kind of damages like water damages, we also have the problem on the walls. So we can also select the wall of a specific room, open the info section, and we tap on Add New Area. Now we're in the elevation view and we change the shape. Now the water damages are behind my back, so they're a bit, let's say here, and we tap on Done. Same thing, we can change the color if we want. We can change the name also. And we can also decide to show the dimensions or leave it as it is. Very important note, as you can see on top, the area has been automatically calculated by the app, both for the water damage on the wall and for the water damage on the floor. It will be in square meters if you use square meters, otherwise in square feet, of course. Now I can also export my project. So let's see how the affected areas get displayed. Here you can see our room with both the floor and the wall damage. Then we will go ahead. Here we see our area. Here we have it also, affected area. It's indicated, and there's also the shape, because if you have more areas, you cannot maybe remember which one is the one that you're looking at. So here you're very precise and everyone will know. And here you will also see the affected wall area. In our opinion, this feature is a game changer, and it gives you some big advantages if you have to document areas of damage. First of all, it's a separate set of measurements that you don't have to set manually. It saves you lots of time because everything is done by the app and it's documented right there, which also improves the internal communication inside your team. So the first person that goes on site will document the place as it is, adding photos, notes, possibly videos, and everything will be attached to the affected area. So if some days or weeks later you have a different restorer going on site to check the process of the work, then this person will know exactly how it looked like at the very beginning. And last but not least, it will give you the ability to add more details to your scope and later to your estimate, which will make your work look more professional overall. So give this feature a try. Let us know your feedback because we want to improve it as best as we can so that it's useful for you guys. If you have any doubts, I'm gonna leave you some useful links under this video and I'll see you in our next tutorial.